Make your garage tidier with two 4-foot shelf units. They come in other sizes, 2x8s, and we're going to hang up in the garage. Zophie Fabrizio. As we open up the package, we have a black polished solid bar 2-frame system for your garage hanging and more. Everything that you get: an instruction guide, a template and a level space that fits into the hole to level, brackets, hardware screws, washer, anchors, bolts, and masking tape. 4 brackets, 2 sets of shelving that join together. 2x4, 2 of them. For our demonstration purposes, we're going to hang in our area our template. We're going to take the level and place in. When hanging the bracket, we have a right side and a left side. Anchor, washer, lag bolt. We are hanging. Once drilled and put into place, place your racks together. Each rack system can be put anywhere. They can be put together or separate. Each rack has a safety corner, rounded, with the bolts and clamps going on the top on each of the angle to lock down and secure into place. Bolts, washers, and nuts start to place on and secure down with the washer and nut and optional tools. Shelves are fully assembled and they measure a depth of 24 inches by 96 inches across, 2x4 for each shelf. The actual L bracket measures roughly around 24 inches and the depth of the height is 6 inches in the back by up to 2 inches at the front. It holds a maximum capacity of a total of 420 pounds, 210 pounds per shelf. Tools on the floor now can be organized on the shelf. You can put anything of large capacity on. We have an opening of each of the bars at 3 inches per opening. Each of the bar shelves are 1 foot in depth. They are tied together and locked into place. These are just not garage shelf units for laundry. Anything that you need to put on. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is what you're looking for in 2x4 to total 8 feet of storage area of a capacity of 420 pounds. Thank you for viewing your hardware and storage needs.